So, as part of digital transformation, AI for governments is an important topic. Many governments, AI can revolutionize how the governments operate, can be more efficient. Let's look into this. So, enhancing public services, automating routine tasks, improving response times, and personalizing citizen services are some of the aspects where AI or any sort of digital like IT systems could help. And in this way, a lot of public services can become more efficient. Improving public safety using AI for predictive policing, emergency response, and disaster management. So, in this public safety sector, AI can speed up things because it will have a lot of data and the response time will be less, and the social security will improve. Streamlining administration, automating administrative processes to reduce costs and improve efficiency. So there could be a lot of things which humans don't need to do, therefore it will reduce the cost, and this could be used for the better public services. And data analysis, leveraging on big data analytics for policy making, resource allocation, and performance monitoring. These are some things. Policy making in many government decisions take a long time because there's a huge data which people have to process. So this data could be given to machines, and this could be policy making will be faster, resource allocation and performance monitoring. Healthcare, implementing AI for disease tracking, resource management, and personalized medicine. So in healthcare, there is I heard like there is IBM is working on some system where it works on a big data of patient data and is able to suggest a cure for many diseases. And research shows it most of the suggestions are very close to humans, and it will be a very great help for the doctors. So these are some of the points for AI in government sector. So improved public services. If we employ digital transformation, artificial intelligence, or any sort of IT systems, we can improve efficiency, streamlines the processes, reducing times, and improves the service delivery. And accessibility enables citizens to access service 24/7, improving convenience. And user experience enhances the user experience with intuitive, user-friendly interfaces. Like if you're employing AI nowadays, you have AI chatbots which answers like human-like, and it answers even more accurately with more information, which could help the customers. And user interface, so the more the modern the technology is, the better is the user experience. So in this way the governments could improve the public services which they offer to their citizens. Open data provides public access to government data and promoting transparency. Tracking facilitates better tracking for government activities and resource allocation. Feedback is allows for more efficient collection of analysis and feedback. So this is for enhanced transparency and accountability with open data and tracking and feedback mechanisms. If we employ modern technologies like IT systems or artificial intelligence into this. As for cost savings and operational efficiency, automation reduces manual processes, minimizing errors and saving time. Resource allocation optimizes the use of resources through data-driven decision making. Reduced overheads and lowest costs associated with paper, physical storage, and manual labor. So in this way, the more we use technology and more we automate, more is the cost saving, and this cost could be used in other productive things. And it also optimizes the resource allocation with the data-driven approach, and also reducing the physical storage and paper and physical things which are used. And data driven decision making like analytics utilizes data analytics to inform policy and operational decisions. Predictive insights employs predictive analytics for proactive service improvements, and performance monitoring tracks and measures effectiveness of the programs and initiatives. So the data is the key. So the more data we have, so we can predict things, we can analyze things, and also offer new solutions. With the machine learning models we have, it is very easy to consume a lot of data and give a lot of predictions and monitoring services. Better collaboration, interagency collaboration facilitates better communication and data sharing among different government agencies and stakeholder engagement, enhances engagement with citizens, businesses, and stakeholders, and remote work supports remote work possibilities, improving flexibility and resilience. So any technology, and with artificial intelligence, machine learning, chatbots, and using wireless technologies, and all the state of art faster hardware, all these things will help better collaboration and communication, and also streamline the process. And more we automate, like giving apps to handle your own works for government services, this could really save a lot of time for the citizens, and they could use this time for other purposes. Remote work saves transport time, reduces traffic congestions, and improves the environment, and supports more time is available for the employees. And this enhances also engagement with the citizens, businesses, and stakeholders. These are all important points for better collaboration and communication. Enhance security and compliance. Cybersecurity implements advanced security measures to protect sensitive data. Compliance ensures adherence to regulatory requirements throughout the automated compliance checks. Disaster recovery improves disaster recovery and business continuity plans. So as far as cybersecurity is concerned, cybersecurity is a very important factor now, because a lot of things are done remotely. That means data is exchanged over the internet or the wireless, and they have many devices now, like laptops, mobiles, tablets, and so many other interconnected devices. Therefore, cybersecurity, that is protecting the data over the internet and exchange of data, is becoming important. Compliance, to ensure adherence to regulatory requirements throughout the automated compliance. And disaster recovery, that is improves disaster recovery for business in case there's a cyber attack. How do we recover from the cyber attack? So all these are very important factors which should be considered in case of digital transformation or digital workspace. Innovation and adaptability. Agility enables rapid adaptation to changing needs and emergencies. Innovation encourages development and adoption of innovation solutions and technologies. Continuous improvement. These are all factors where any government facility or any digital transformation has to take care of. Like the adaptation has to be well planned and rapid, and there should not be much disruption in the daily operations. Encourages development. Innovation always brings new ideas, new jobs, and new energy. Continuous improvement, that is, we have to retrospect continuously, and digital transformation is something which we need to think about for continuous improvement, so that we offer better systems and services to the people. So e-government services, citizen engagement and participation. E-government is very important, provides platforms for government services to be done online through mobile apps, through electronic means. That is what we call e-government. Feedback mechanisms, implements digital feedback mechanisms for better public and interaction. And digital inclusion, that means promotes digital inclusion by making services accessible to broader audience. So the main idea is providing citizen engagement. Participant means like you provide a lot of services with the citizens can easily access, and they can do their things faster. Feedback is they can give feedback through for better public input and interaction. So any positive or negative feedbacks has to be taken back, and then this feeds into the system, and the system improves. Digital inclusion is basically promoting the digital way of doing things, and which should be accessible for broader audience. And culturing the people also to use digital systems is very important, so that the systems are effectively used. So by leveraging on AI and digital systems and software and IT systems, governments can become more efficient, transparent, and responsive to the needs of the citizens. And the citizens can be more protective when they get good response and good services from the government. Naturally, the citizens will be more happy, and they will be doing more productive activity, which will in turn again benefit the government. So these are some of the aspects which I want to talk to about the digital transformation phase for improving the performance of governments.